Number 8. By looking at the words theories and still, we understand we should use a base form of the verb in the present tense because theories is the plural subject and still is a present tense time expression. Number 9. There is a reason-result relationship between the ideas of suicide and empty bottles of sleeping pills. So we need to use a linker, which is as, and which means because. 10. Here, in case is used to mean that the man took a precaution. 11. Should have been collected is an example of past modals passives, and it means something was necessary to be done in the past but wasn't done. Next part. In this part, I will tell you what grammar subject each item belongs to. Section 1. Questions 1, 2, and 3 are the examples of comparative adjectives. 4 and 5 are the comparative and superlative intensifiers. 6 and 7 are quantifiers used in comparative form. 8 is an example for contrast linker. 9 and 10 are degree adverbs. Section 2. Until is a subordinating conjunction which is used to connect an action to a point in time. 2. Past tense passive. 3. Belongs to a relative clause, and here which modifies the whole sentence. 4. Infinitive. 5. Make use of, which is a collocational phrase and it means to use something and get benefit from it. 6. So plus adjective plus that structure. 7. Relative clause with where. 8. Pleased with is a collocational phrase which means to be happy with. Section 3. Carried out is a phrase to mean conduct or do. Question number 2. If type 0, both parts of the sentence should be in present tense. 3. Relative clause with who. 4. For instance is a phrase which means for example. 5. Comparative adjectives. 6. In spite of is a contrast linker. 7. Set up is a phrasal verb that means establish. 8. Responsible is followed by for. 9. This belongs to relative clauses and here which modifies the whole sentence. 10. Based is followed by on. 11. Infinitive of purpose. You can search these grammar topics on the internet, find video lessons on YouTube, or you can review your handouts given by me to you. All are ready in your files or on DBE online. Part G, Section 1 and Section 2 are questions which are related to the topic gerunds and infinitives. You can go over your language handout about this grammar topic and try to understand your mistakes if you have any. Part H, Section 1. Question 1. We know that he was worried about the seas getting dirty, so obviously he wanted to protect marine life. Therefore, the answer is C. Number 2. After moreover, we need to give a similar idea to the previous one. 3. We are given the fact that US is a multicultural country, so one way for companies to be successful would be paying attention to cultural differences. 4. In contrast is a contrast linker, just like on the other hand in question 5. And after these linkers, we need to write a contrasting idea or an opposite idea to the one given before. Number 6. After as a result, we need to write the result of the given situation. Number 7. Similar to moreover in the second question, we need to give a similar idea after in addition. Section 2, question number 1. Spenders spend a lot of money on everything, so we can say that they are addicted to using credit cards. And the last question, after the blank, the sentence starts with moreover, so we should find a sentence that gives a similar idea as the one in the last sentence. Thank you for listening. As I told you, you can find all of these topics on the internet, on your handout. You can ask your questions to us anytime. Please study these grammar topics because you need them in the prof exam as well in order to understand the texts and write better pieces of writing paragraph. Good luck!